how to change country on Facebook Ads Manager. First, go to the Facebook Ads Manager by visiting this right here and logging in using your account credentials. Then access the account settings. So in the Ads Manager, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen and scroll down and click on Account Settings under the Settings section. Then locate the Ad Account information in the Account Settings page. Find the section labeled Ad Account Settings. Here you will see your current country listed under the Ad Account Info section. Then change your country, which is limited to new accounts. It's important that Facebook does not allow you to change your country. For an existing ad account, the country is set when the ad account is created and it is tied to the billing country. If you need to change the country for your account, you will need to create a brand new account with the correct country settings. To do this, click on Create a New Ad Account and choose the desired country during this setup process. Then just confirm the new country for your ad account. After creating a new ad account, double check the country is correctly set under your account settings. Start creating campaigns and running ads with the new ad account using the updated country settings. If this helped you, subscribe.